Hey, this is Flowcast. Today, we're diving into the heart of Irys, its custom-built virtual machine, IrysVM, and why it lets you do things that just aren't possible on Ethereum, Solana, or any other chain out there. In our previous episodes, we explained how Irys merges storage and logic, how it's a chain where data isn't just stored, it's actually used. But that raises the big question: how? How can smart contracts access files? How can they see what's inside a document? This is where things get really interesting. Let's start with the basics. Every blockchain uses a virtual machine, a kind of runtime environment where smart contracts get executed. On Ethereum, that's the EVM, the Ethereum virtual machine. It gives contracts a way to run, interact, and change the state of the chain. But there's a hard limit. The EVM can't read external data. It's locked inside its own bubble. Contracts can't open a file, can't scan text, can't inspect an image, can't trigger logic based on the contents of a document. All they understand is addresses, balances, and numbers. For anything else, you need external scripts, APIs, oracles, which means you're no longer truly decentralized. Now, here's the twist. IrysVM is built differently. It doesn't just execute contracts, it's tightly integrated into the data layer of the blockchain itself. That means it can directly read file contents, right from the chain, not through an off-chain fetch, not through an external bridge, but natively, trustlessly, deterministically. You can write a smart contract that says, if this uploaded document contains X, then execute Y. And it works. No middlemen, no extra setup. It's part of the system by design. This is made possible by two core components of Irys, the submit ledger and the publish ledger. The submit ledger is a queue of incoming data, new files being uploaded. The publish ledger is the immutable, permanent storage. Every file, every version, every update is saved forever. Smart contracts on Irys can directly access these files, and IrysVM can parse them, whether it's text, images, JSON, or something else. That changes everything. You can build a contract that reacts if a file contains a certain string, or if an image has a specific color pattern, or if a JSON object matches a required structure. That's not just a smart contract. That's a reactive program powered by on-chain content. No other blockchain can do this natively. Not because they didn't think of it, but because their architecture was built for transactions, not meaning. They're optimized for moving tokens. Irys is optimized for understanding data. And that opens up a new generation of dApps. Imagine a DAO where contracts scan files and auto-launch proposals, or an AI tool that trains on uploaded on-chain data, and its outputs become readable contracts too, or a social platform where each post triggers real actions, or a wiki where edits are stored forever, and each update is validated by a smart rule. All of this is possible because IrysVM can read data, truly on-chain, trustlessly, and without any off-chain dependencies. This isn't just about convenience, it's a whole new design space. Not token transfers, information-native logic. That's why Irys isn't just another chain with storage. It's the first chain where contracts and content live together, where data becomes an action, where a file can change the world's state. This was Flowcast.